Done, 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 that work, come on. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way.
Hey you guys, what is up? I need some lip gloss. Let's redo that. Okay, there we go. Gloss is applied. Now I can do my intro. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. And I'm gonna say that again because I know y'all can't be, y'all can't pick up what I'm throwing down. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny. Whichever one you like, whichever one you motherfucking like, girl, okay? Or boy. But yeah, you guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I'm actually pre-recording because I have some exciting news. And as you can see by the title, like, I'm nervous. Your girl is moving. Yes, I said it. I am finally moving. I can finally tell you guys that I am moving. I put my application this week, so I've been kind of on edge. I've been packing. Like, I have boxes over here. I got boxes a lot out. So I'm my battery died. But yeah, I'm like, let me start off Vlogmas with a bang. Literally, like, y'all like my hair. Flexi brush set came out real cute and whatnot. Yeah, I'm starting off Vlogmas with a bang. I am super excited, anxious, nervous, because girl, I don't know how to pack, like, move, like, I'm trying to figure it all out in my head, and that's what I was trying to do yesterday. I also packed up some things in my linen closet. So yeah, it's like, we're starting this process, and I am so excited, and I'm so thankful and grateful for this opportunity to move and have my own little sanctuary. And it's all thanks to you guys. I ain't gonna get emotional, like, I'm doing it on my own time, but girl, I almost got emotional last night because I had saw, look at me about to get emotional. Okay, so I had saw this necklace that my parents got me for my 16th birthday, and I never wore it because back then I didn't really like to wear jewelry. But now that I wear jewelry, I think I'm gonna, bring it out. But I was just like looking at it, and I was just like, wow, so many memories, so many memories. Yeah, today we have a lot of things to do, so I'm not even going to talk for too long because I actually need to head out. This side don't want to do what it's supposed to do. Like, girl, do what you gotta do. Do like this, not like that. We got some things to do, what to-do list. I have to go return something to Express. I have to return something to Sephora. Well, really exchange it at Sephora. Let's see what else I have to do on my little, I got my little to-do list today. Go get my TV. My mom is actually gonna get my TV for me. I have to buy 5 moving boxes. Like, I want to get like the big joints. And then I already bought something. I already bought my TV stand earlier this morning. I have to get some things from the dollar store, like trash bags, rubber gloves, dishwasher detergent, like little knickknacks like that, like things that I don't need to be spending like a whole bunch of money on. I need to get a Christmas tree. Well, I want to get a Christmas tree. I don't know if I'm going to, depending on, like, if I can find one that I like, and like, just, girl, moving. Okay, that's the number one goal right now, is moving, getting my couch, getting my bar stools, getting my new bed set. Like, that's priority right now. Christmas tree, I'll still decorate, but Christmas tree really isn't priority. But let's go, because girl, I will be talking to y'all forever about this moving thing, because I am so excited to take you guys along. And some of you guys already guessed it, like, I feel like you about to move. I was like, something going on, like, you got a different glow about you. And literally, yes, that glow is, I'm finally becoming the person I want to be. I'm sorry, y'all, hold on. Yeah, that didn't help. That didn't help. But yeah, I'm becoming the person that I want to be, and that is that glow that y'all are seeing. I'm like, wow, love that for me. I love you
for sentimental reasons. I hope you do believe me. I'll give you my heart. I love you.
Alright, so I'm back in the car. Let me put y'all right here. Before I start driving, I should have sprayed the camera, but I'll be using this little hand spray. I showed this in a vlog a while ago. I love it. I love the smell of it. It smells like lemons. Very, very fresh. But I need one that, well, after this one is gone. Oh God. After this one is gone, then I'm gonna use my other one that I got. It is a like cooling waters or something like I was like, is it focused on me? It is. But I want to hold y'all. I feel like holding y'all. Not my thing falling. Why are you so ghetto? Like, look at my hair. I haven't done flexi rods in so long. This is how I wanted it to come out though. I wanted it to come out, you know, curly like this. So now I know what to do. I'm gonna do it like this again and again. So I'm gonna do it like this tomorrow because move-in day is tomorrow. Love that. So yeah, I told you I had to go to Dollar Tree. So I have to go to Dollar Tree still. I have to go to Target still. I think I want to go to Target to get like cleaning supplies, like look for vacuums, mops, what else? Girl, I don't know. Kitchen, girl. A broom, dustpan with a, you know, broom with a dustpan or whatever they have now, because what we got is that old school joint, like the one with the little little hay on it. That's what we got. And then we got a newer one too, but it just don't work as good as the one with the hay. Yeah, what else? A mop. We're gonna see, because I just don't know. But let's go get something to eat, because I haven't ate all day. Oh, let me put my seatbelt on, because I don't need the girls coming for me. I do not need the girls coming for me. Not during Vlogmas, girl. I don't know why I be doing this to myself. But I will not eat until like late. That's because of that coffee. I need to stop drinking coffee too. It's not making my teeth like yellow or anything, because my teeth still pretty white. But I don't know. Coffee just, which way should I go? I probably should put the GPS in first. I just have too much on my mind. Like when I kept telling y'all I have a lot on my mind, that is why. Like my mind just be all over the place. Like I don't know what the heck to get my, you know, stuff for my apartment. A freaking trash can. I don't know why I said that so low. Oh, girl, I gotta get a trash can. Yeah, though, this mall, I went, that mall ain't had nothing in it. I mean, it did have like stuff in it, but ain't nobody in there. And then it was not cute. Like, when I come to a mall, I wanna like, you know, get the Christmas spirits. Like, make me wanna buy something. Y'all make me wanna get in and come out. It didn't make me want to buy nothing. Nobody was in the Christmas spirit. Nobody was like, oh, you know, I don't know, happy holidays. It wasn't giving it like that. It was just like, oh, you gotta return. Like, where was the excitement? Where was the joy? Ooh, what they doing over here? What they doing?
World, I'm a walking erection. Speed without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brand it is. Don't in your mouth.
This is what I need. He's big. I just said I wanted like some big boxes. But I didn't think they was gonna be this big. God damn. That's extra large. Okay. I want a large. A large?
A large? You got fucking money. He got.
Y'all, please don't fall. Don't be embarrassing me.
Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You puffed on her, now we mad because you.
Nice boom boombox. I mean, I called it a boombox. We're not getting it put in the car. We're getting it shipped. The inches. That's the one that I want though, right here. The 50 inch. But I want to see how it looks up there. Okay. I like that. I mean, the price is nice though. That always helps. Things are wrapping up.
2 hours later.
So, back home. I am pooped. I am worn out, girl. Like, chow. I'm about to put my hair up in like, probably like 5 ponytails. Go to sleep. Hopefully this comes out okay tomorrow. I know I'm going to put it up tomorrow because, I'm gonna be cleaning so in the apartment. But I hope you guys, oh dang, I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, congratulations. But yes, thank you guys so much, because I want to say thank you, because I know I'm not gonna be able to say thank you to everybody, but thank you so much for your well wishes and all the love and everything. I will definitely be reading them all and trying to get back to everybody. But yes, the girl is moving. I cannot wait to take you guys on this journey, like just going through everything and like looking for stuff. I was like, god dang, I mean, bro, dang, like it's so many things that I don't have. It's crazy. Vlogmas is going to be a little insane this year because sis is moving and trying to have fun for Vlogmas and, you know, give y'all content, and it's gonna be a lot. So I hope you guys are ready for this ride along with me. At least y'all in the passenger seat, you know what I'm saying? So you just cruising, you easing, you know what I'm saying, through the ride, and I'm doing all the work. So, but yes, definitely comment down below what you guys are loving so far for Christmas time, what you're most excited about. Also, subscribe to the channel and be a part of the gang. Like, why would you want to be a part of the little familia over here? Like, what's that about? Oh, and I also got my poop shirt on. It's so faded now. We got this a while ago. Me and Aaron got the same shirt. I got him it for, was it our first or second Christmas together? Maybe our first or second Christmas together. So now it's so faded. Like, it was never this yellow. It was like a dark brown. Girl. 5 and below. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday season so far. You enjoy Thanksgiving and everything. I am about to go and do some work and eat this food and just chill for the rest of the night. So hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. Don't forget to do all those, you know, fun good things, liking and sharing and, you know, commenting. You know how I got on y'all for Vlogtober, so y'all like, you know. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh, I'm about to drop my camera. Ciao.